Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Laura, and in this video I want to teach you a super quick breath that's going to help you whenever you're feeling a slump. So whenever you're feeling a little groggy, maybe you're in an extra long meeting right after lunch, or you're driving someplace and you just feel yourself begin to get groggy, this breath will make a huge difference. Now, the oils I would recommend are really any citrus or mint oil is going to be helpful. My favorites, well, I have a lot of favorites, but right now I've got lemon and peppermint. Those are really good. Now there is a blend I highly recommend, and that's clarity. And this one is, obviously it's for clarity in the brain. So what you're going to do is take one of those oils, if you have it, don't worry if you don't, and you're going to take a drop into your hand. We're going to use it in a moment, but just go ahead and rub your hands together. Now, I'm going to talk you through this breath, and in a moment you'll be breathing in those oils. So I want you to first find a comfortable position. So sitting comfortably, whatever that is for you, with your spine straight. You're going to draw that belly in just a little, lift the heart up, let your shoulders relax away from your ears, and then close your eyes. Now we're going to begin just feeling your breath. Just become aware of it. We're not changing anything yet. Let your jaw be soft. Let your tongue be soft. And as best you can, draw your breath in and out through the nose. If you need to use your mouth, that's fine. Now begin to count with your inhale and your exhale and see if you can get them equal. So what I'd like you to do is inhale to a count of 3 and exhale to a count of 3. And when you have a comfortable, balanced breath, bring your hands up to cup your hands over your nose so you can enjoy your oil. Imagine your breath and the oil going up to the brain, beginning to stimulate it. Just breathing intentionally will begin to wake you up. Now you can totally do this when you're in a meeting or driving. You just won't close your eyes. Now we're going to begin to expand the inhalations. You're going to inhale to a count of 4 and fully exhale to the count of 3. So that exhale comes out a little faster than the inhale goes in. And again, enjoying the oils if you'd like, or resting the hands. Now, if you're feeling comfortable, let's expand the inhale one more time. So inhaling to a count of 5, exhaling to the count of 3. Take one more breath. And then return to your normal breath, opening your eyes. Super easy, really easy, but do you feel a little bit more awake? It's amazing how that inhale can just infuse you with a little bit of stimulation. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell so you receive a notification anytime I drop a new video. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day. Namaste.